Hello, this is Prashant here. In this video, we're going to learn how do we read a specific JSON object property from our URL logger database. Now, if we remember, this is the JSON that we are trying to read. Let's say we only want to extract task name inside as a variable. If I run this right now, it is going to show me everything, but all I want is task name. Now to do this, you come to JSON and say get JSON object property. Okay, now the name of my variable is JSON variable where everything is stored. Okay, click on JSON, which will be variable, and the property that I want is called task underscore name. Okay, come on variable, let's say result value is where they store it by default, but I will call it task name. Okay, you need to ensure that this is true, otherwise this will not come. Click on OK, click on save. Let's do another show message. And we come over here, we call it task name. Now we need to remember, we don't want to show task name, we want to show a variable. We want to replace the variable, yes. Click on save, run this. First we get this entire webhook and then we get task name.